Good day, Omniacs from across the globe. How are you? How are you? How are you? It is Oscar Carboni coming at you on Saturday morning. Now, the markets, we have the 4th of July holiday coming at us on Tuesday. Monday's probably no trading, so we've got a few days off. I wanted to show you something to get you set and ready for next week when you come in. So as we know, trading is risky. Stocks, commodities, futures, ETFs, if you trade crypto, it's all risky. Put your stops in, put them in first. Never put on a position without putting on a protective stop. Let's take a look at this, kids. So this would be for trading next week, the second week of July, first and second week of July. So we're coming back to work on July 5th, and this is for somewhere between now and next week. But this is a weekly chart. It's not made for daily trading. Let me show you what's going on. Traders, I have been showing you this chart since the beginning of this year. And in the beginning of the year, I called absolute bottom. This is how the stock market bottoms are born, is what I told people. And I would show them this chart over and over in the beginning of the year, and I promise you I got so much pushback. I had so many people call me and tell me I'm crazy, I'm wrong, I'm embarrassing myself, I'm going to ruin my reputation because I called the bottom of the stock market in the beginning of this year. And if you remember, everybody was looking for the end of the world when I called for the upside. So let me show you a chart that should keep you focused on the upside for next week. This is the Nasdaq chart. You've seen this in many videos. It is a weekly chart. This blue line right here is the 200 bar moving average overlaid on the weekly Nasdaq bar chart. And here's what makes it interesting. Let's go back to COVID. When the market started to crack for COVID, it dropped all the way down and exactly hit the 200 bar moving average. And what happened after it hit? A major rally ensues. Major rally ensues. All right, interesting. Let's go back a little further. It gets close to hitting the 200, but never actually hits it. And a major rally ensues. Major, huge. Now, it might look small. This is on a weekly chart. We were down at the 6,500 area, and we went all the way up to the 9,500 area, 9,700. That's a major rally because it just about hit the 200 bar moving average. Now, let's go back. Once again in 2016, it almost hits it. And what happens? A major rally ensues. Now, nothing goes straight up, we know that, but a major rally ensued. All right, let's look further. We go back again. Keep going. Now we're all the way back to 2008-9. And guess what? 2008, it finally breaks the 200 bar moving average briefly, gets back above it in 2009, and as you can see, never again does it pierce the 200 bar moving average. Even during COVID, you could not get through it. And now let's look at today. So what happens recently, or top day today, and I've been calling the upside for a long time now, is we came down to the 200 bar moving average, jigger-jagged around it a little. Once it got above, a major rally will ensue. That is what happens, kids. We're not guessing. That is what happens. I just showed it to you all the way back to 2008. So that's what we expect, and lo and behold, that is what's been happening. It breaks into a bull flag, stays in the black channel, continues higher. Now guess what this is right here? This is the all-time forever high. The highest we've ever been in, oh, how come that's not moving forward? The highest we've ever been in NASDAQ is right here. Right there, we would pierce all-time highs. Did Omni call this thing right at the beginning of the year or what? Traders, we are 15 years straight of doing the beginning of the year, putting in a year-end call, and being right for 15 straight years. Omni did it again this year. So far, we're heading up towards that call. Amazing. Now, traders, two things I wanted to remind you of. One, please subscribe to these videos so that you know when they're coming out and you will learn from me, and hopefully I will keep you focused in the right area so that you know where the market should be going. And then there's this. Omni Camp is coming to you. August 1st through 3rd, Rockland County, New York. I am hosting an Omni Camp. You do not have to come to Vegas. I am coming out to see you. It is very easy to join me. Click the link below and tell me you want to be part of the Omni Camp in Rockland County, New York. That is August 1st through 3rd next month. Or call me, 702-629-4755. Omni Camp is coming to you. If you're in the tri-state area, come to this Omni Camp. I promise you, you will not regret it. I will make you a fantastic analyst. Come join me, 702-629-4755. It is August 1st through 3rd next month. So make sure you fill out your Omni Camp applications by clicking the link below and getting in touch with me. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm looking forward to meeting you in Rockland County next month. Make sure you subscribe to my videos and join me at livewithoscar.com. All right, kids, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, have a fantastic 4th of July weekend. Make sure you join me in Rockland County, New York for this August Omni Camp, and I will see you there.